In this video, you're gonna learn how to create a folder or structure template for your projects using vsCode. First, we're gonna create a folder template, and then we're gonna open it with Visual Studio Code. Then go to Extension and install extension called Project Templates. I already have it, so I will start. Then, using VS Code, create your structures, folders, and files. Now, how about we create things dynamics, like the title, for example. All of our project will not have the same title when we create it. So we can use the hash symbol and the curly braces, and inside the curly braces we need to enter the variable name, for example the title. Now once we're done, we need to save our template. Ctrl Shift and P in Windows OS and type save project as template. Select it, and now it's asked you to enter the name of this template. Now let's try to make a project from this template that we created right now. Now once again, Ctrl Shift P and type create project from templates and select the template name that you name. And as you can see, it's asked us to enter the title from the template. Now we have the same structure that we created before, and if we go to the index, you will see the title that you entered right now, project template list.